Hello, I'd like to show you all Google Drive and what it can do. Google Drive is a powerful tool for students to organize, collaborate, and manage their documents and files. So I just want to take you through it step by step and give you some instructions along with some features that I think would be really beneficial to students. So first, we're going to open up our web browser and go to the Google search website, or you can search for googledrive.com, but I'm going to go right over here to the side here and go to my Google Apps and click on Drive. Now, in order to get here, you need to sign in with your Google account, and if you don't have one, you can create one for free. So once we click on Drive, we're going to familiarize ourselves with the main interface, including the left-hand sidebar with various options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. So click on the plus New button to create a new document, and you have your choice of things to create. You want to create a new folder, a new Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google Maps, and so on. You also can upload a file, and you can upload a folder from your computer if you'd like. So you also can organize files by creating folders to organize them. So you would just click on the new and select folder, and then you would name your folder and you would create it. And then once this is created, you can drag and drop files into the folders for better organization. If you right click on a file or a folder, I'm going to right click on here, and you'll see that we can share it with, classmates or teachers or students. And you would share right here. You would add their email address, or you can copy the link and share it with them via email. And that's how you would do that. Make sure to change your permissions to view, comment, or edit. You also have control over that. You can use Google Docs and Sheets and Slides by clicking on the document and type create and edit text documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, and you can collaborate in real time with others on that same document. So you can share the document, and it allows you to all see the same document and make changes as needed, which has been so helpful for me, and I find it like one of the most useful things. You can also install the Google Drive offline extension to access the documents without internet connection. And this is huge, as we all know, because you don't always have access to being online. So this is very helpful. You can create surveys or quizzes using the forms. Let me see. Google Forms right here. You would click on this and you could create a form or a survey that you can then share or send to students to complete. You can also leave out of here and go back to your home. And if you do have a document that say you collaborated on with somebody, you would be able to check the version history, and you would be able to see what was changed, and you could also go back to a previous version if you'd like. Google Drive provides the flexibility to access documents from any device with an internet connection. Real-time collaboration. Students can collaborate with classmates on projects, making group work more efficient and save time. Sharing documents with teachers or classmates is simplified, streamlining the feedback and review process, and version control. The ability to view and restore previous versions ensures that work is not lost and changes can be tracked, which is huge. So students can use Google Drive for their class assignments. It helps the Google Docs for writing assignments. I found it helpful if you don't have Word on your computer, you can always, use Google Docs to change your format. Group projects, collaborate with classmates on shared documents or presentations. Organization, maintain well-organized drive with folders for different subjects or projects. And research, you can store and organize research materials, articles, or notes in your Google Drive for easy access. By mastering Google Drive, students can enhance their productivity, collaboration, and organization, making it a valuable tool throughout their academic journey. This is a great addition to the different Google platforms and applications. Google Drive is a must-have. Please go on, try it, play around, and enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.